How to fix Instagram time. Hello everyone, in today's video we'll talk about how to fix this on your Instagram. Just watch this video till the end. So let's start. So first go and open the settings of your phone, then go directly and open apps option. Here on apps option you have to search for Instagram. Open Instagram like this and scroll down, click now on storage option and go to the last button, clear data, and click OK. And then you have to back and click on force stop. Click also OK. And what's the last things you need to do? You have to go to your Play Store, update your Instagram if it's not updated, and that's it. Your problem will be solved. So we hope this video is helpful for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe in our channel. See you in another video.